How to find mentions in the bio notifications settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find mentions and bio notifications settings on Instagram Lite. First, open Instagram Lite and now click on your profile in the bottom corner and then click the storylines in the top corner. Here you will find settings, click on it and now just click notifications. Here you will see this one, following and followers. Now all you need to do is just click on it and then scroll down until you find mentions and bio, and as you see here you can manage mentions and bio notifications. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.